All right, team. So as always, before we get started, I want to first start off by giving a shout out to all of my viewers. You guys keep me motivated to keep delivering this type of content through subscribing to the channel, through liking the videos, and also through sharing the videos with those who you find that this content might be helpful for. I want to say thank you to everybody who continues to support me and the platform. Lastly, I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsors over at RealStoneCare.com. Their line of tile and grout cleaner products, as well as their natural stone restoration products, are unmatched. We're not only promoters of the products, but we use them as well. Make sure you check them out at RealStoneCare.com. And whenever you do, if you do decide to check out, use promo code MMTV10 at the very end to get a discount on your order. Again, that is promo code MMTV10. You'll find that promo code down in the description, as well as their website. Check them out. Let them know I sent you. All right, guys, what's going on? We are at our first and only stop of the day. We are in the beautiful Westlake, Texas. We're going to be doing a whole lot of work in this home. We got a lot of stone work. We got some countertops. We got a shower that we're going to be doing a clean and restoration on. With the porcelain tiles, these are 36-inch porcelain tiles. We're going to be doing a clean and color restoration on them. I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're working on. All right. Let me go ahead and show y'all what we're working on. So we got 1,172 square feet. We're going to be doing a clean and color restoration on these grout lines. And what that is currently they're this color, and we're going to be turning them to a lighter color that's similar to the color of the tiles themselves, so that everything will blend in. But we got all of this area up here. We have to do this area, which we'll have to move the furniture once we get done with this area here, so that we can do that side. Over here in the kitchen, we're going to be working on the countertop as well. This is a quartzite countertop. We're going to be doing a clean seal and polish on it. As you can see, the cloudiness, it's dirty. We're going to be taking care of that as well. One thing we added on as well is taking care of the hoods in the kitchen. Seal every cleanable surface. It's greasy. Customer asked if we can take care of it, and we can, so we will. We also got some furniture that we're going to be working on as well, which is these 4 dining room chairs. We're going to be cleaning these, as well as this sectional. Going this way, we also have some bathroom restoration work that we're going to be doing on the floors as well as the shower. Let me show you this one. Shower's already getting prepped. Those the floors all the way through here. Let's slide right here by you. We're going to be taking care of the floors in here, as well as all the walls, the shower head that's on the ceiling. Got some calcium buildup on it, hard water. We're going to take care of that as well. And then take care of the hard water buildup on the fixtures and the shower head. Going back to the other end of the house, we have more tiles. So of course, once we finish this area out here, we're going to have to move all this furniture back that way so that we can take care of the tiles on this end. And we also got some area rugs that we're going to be cleaning. Those are actually placed outside for the time being, but we got those to clean as well. We got this bathroom over here. So porcelain. Going to be cleaning these as well as doing a color restoration, changing the color of these grout lines from that color to a gray so that they blend in with the floor better. And that's actually it. So I'll be taking a lot more shots through this process so that you'll see step by step what we're doing, what we're working on, and you'll be able to see the before and after transformation. This is one of the biggest jobs we've done this year thus far, so definitely make sure I have a lot of video content for you guys off of this one. Y'all stay tuned.
Meanwhile,
Got that half over there clean. Drying this side. Going to be beginning the color restoration process here in just a few minutes. As soon as this side is done, these floors are looking good.
A few moments later.
That gray line is what the grout is going to look like with the color restoration process. This tannish color is what it currently looks like. doing the color restoration on it, changing it from the dark color to the light one. Which we can see, that's the old color, that's the new color. This job is coming along nice. We're about 70% of the way through. Kitchen's getting finished right now. All the furniture that was on this side of the house has been moved over here. Countertop's done, cleaned and polished. That turned out real nice. This area over here has already been color changed with the grout. That color is alabaster, which closely matches the lighter tones in these tiles, which is what the customer wanted. So that is her new color. All right, we got the color restoration in here complete. Grout lines are a completely new color. Check that out. That turned out really good. Like I said, this side over here is already done. Man, this turned out nice. Kitchen's almost done. A little shot of that. That is the color restoration process. Putting a new color in the grout lines. This area back here is done as well. All the way through here. The only thing that's left is over here, this area, and then back out the door. And we got a bathroom back here too that needs to be done. So we are almost done. We got these area rugs done. Got the fans on them, getting them dry. That's one. And this one over here is getting clean. We got this one right here. There's one more outside that we got to bring in to get clean. It's rolled up right there. Coming along. This one over here is done. Need to get that buffer out of here. That's it, man. We're almost done. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we are all finished. Let me go ahead and show you all the final results. Check that out. That's the new color of this grout. It is gray. The customer wanted the grout to be as closely matched to the tiles, and we were able to do that. We got this rug here cleaned. Shower turned out beautiful. It's really nice. I love this shower. Shower head rains down from the top, and then you got that one as well. Cleaned up real nice. All the way back here. Bathroom did really good. Out here towards the front, we got all these rugs done, all the tile. Tile has its new color. Check that out. Up here. Fix that. Back this way. Got these rugs done. All the furniture is back in place. That's a better depiction of the new color. All the furniture back, rugs clean and dried. Got the dining room back in order. Countertops are polished. Check out that shine. These are quartzite. Floors back here are all done. The hoods, we cleaned those up. Those cleaned up real nice. And sectional. Got that cleaned up. The rug that was underneath it. And then all the floors back this way. This rug as well. And the bathroom, which pretty sure you guys remember earlier in the video what these looked like, but check out the new color of the grout lines. The camera don't really pick it up that well, but same thing, the customer wanted it to closely match the porcelain tiles, and that's what we did. But that's it, guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.